Right, time to get some cabbages in the go. De-weeded these beds. Putting that ryegrass on the beds was not a good idea. It's rooted everywhere, so I've been the last half an hour digging that stuff out. So this one here, got some Savoy. In the bad bed, I've got white kohlrabi and purple kohlrabi. First things first, let's give this a bit of a treatment. I've got 6X in here. And I'm just going to sprinkle it over just a little bit. Just try and give this bed some nutrition. That's probably plenty for that size of bed, to be honest. Tilts it everywhere. I'm not too sure how many Savoys I've got in here because a lot of them didn't take, or some didn't take, how do we phrase that? I'll do that side, I've got more room. I'll need a little trowel wherever I put it. Couldn't see with them the green handle. Just chill out, compost bin. Thing is, mayor's sale has come back again with revenge again this year. So what I'm going to do is put in the weight. This bed wasn't going to be made deeper, but I've not got half the stuff I need, to be honest. This is a Savoy cabbage called Virtuous. Put that down there. And I'll give this a very, very fine sprinkling, each one. Not too bad of a root ball. Place it in, squash it down. And find any more maize selling along, remove the damn thing. Now this is each Tuesday after the bank holiday weekend, Easter weekend. Myself and Evie took the week off, so I'm just going to get some bits and bobs done, especially in the garden and the lawn hopefully. I'm not planting these too far apart because I'm going for the method of, if they grow big, it'll keep the light off the soil and hopefully stop the actual maize tail coming through as much. It might not work, but a few people said it actually does. I'm not going to go too close to the edge because I don't want the net touching these either. that's them. That's going to carry on with these. So I'll come back to you in a bit. Right, so all the cabbages in. Probably a little bit too close together, but it doesn't matter. I can always have some smaller before the damn slugs get to them. The ones in the brassica case, since we're doing okay, since I used that stuff last year, the never told gel stuff. It was out of date, that's why it was given away free. But I looked at buying some, it's £48 a tin. Well, a tube, tub, whatever you want to call it. Nowhere on this earth am I paying that. It's basically not worth it. Right, next bed. I've got some kohlrabi to get in there, so let's get some of that in. Same principle. I'm going to dig a hole, some feed, and then put them in. So I've got distracted by the robin then. And I'll come back to you in a bit. I'm sure you don't want to watch me all afternoon digging holes. Right, that's the Savoys in. Not as many as I thought, but they're in. I've got some calabrese in, not all of them germinated. So these is your normal calabrese, and these are the Atlantis, these ones here. Now obviously I'm going to try and cover this bed over, so if I leave this like this, the pigeons will have a field day. Right, there you go, all covered over. Rhubarb is starting to come through nice and strong. That's that ryegrass that can go in the compost bays. Seen that for elephant garlic and the strawberries, but Evie's been clearing out the greenhouse and clearing up the veggie pods, etc. And as you can see, it's nice and clear. And we've got our grow bags down here ready for the tomatoes to go in. That's about it for today. Yes, in a t-shirt. I believe it's 18 degrees today apparently. I'm not complaining. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all again. Give a thumbs up or thumbs down. It all helps with the good old algorithm of YouTube. See you later.